Welcome to the first session of statistics after syllabus and introduction. So we will see some of the definitions given by statisticians. One definition of statistics is science of counting. Science of counting. Another definition of statistics is science of averages. These two definitions are given by A.W. Bowley. So the definitions of statistics given by A.W. Bowley is science of counting or science of averages. One more definition of statistics, it is collection, organization, analysis and interpretation of the result. This is the definition given by Boddington: collection, organization, analysis and interpretation of the result. It involves collection, organization, analysis and interpretation. Now we will move to classification and tabulation. All theory part we will study later. Now we will study how to construct a discrete frequency distribution. Discrete means it will take a specified values. It will not take all the values. A specified values. A variable which takes specified values is called as discrete variable. If only one variable is considered, then it's called as univariate. Univariate. If two variables are considered, it's called as bivariate. A frequency distribution contains the variables and the frequency. Frequency means how many times a particular variable is repeated. So a distribution showing variable and frequency is called as frequency distribution. So here, in case of a discrete frequency distribution, you observe the various values in this sum. Number of teaching staff working in 20 different colleges are given and with numbers. So you have to construct a discrete frequency distribution for this. The variable here is number of teaching staff. Number of teaching staff. This is the variable. Then you write the values in this without repetition. Lowest being 10, then 12, then 15, then 18, 20 and finally 25. Only once you have to write. Then tally mark. After that, number of colleges, also called as F, frequency. Now put a mark against each value. You process all 20 colleges. First one 15. Check where it falls. 15. Second one 12. Third one 18. Fourth one 10. Fifth one 15. Sixth one 12. Then 20. Then 25. Then 18. Then 10. Then 15. Then 12. Again 15. Then 20. Then 25. Next 15. See, already 4 tally marks are over. Fifth one, you have to cross it. Fifth tally mark, you have to cross the previous 4 ones. We will represent a 5 bunch of tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one. Next one, 18. Next 20. Next 15. Next 18. So now you count the tally marks. They will form the frequency of each variable. For 10, 1, 2, 2 is the frequency. For 12, 3. For 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This represents a group of 5 frequency. 5 plus 1. 6, then 4, then 3, then 2, and finally you add up all the frequencies. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. It should tally with your different colleges. How many different colleges are there? 20. This is how you will construct a discrete frequency distribution. You have to arrange the values in the variable in ascending order. See the various values and you should not repeat those values. And process from the first value to the last value, putting a tally mark against each value when it is repeated. After 4 times, if it repeated 5th time, you have to cross the previous 4 tally marks, so that this entire bunch is counted as 5 frequency. So it is easy for us to count a bunch of 5. Then after putting all the tally marks, you count the tally mark and put it in frequency column. Finally, you add all the frequencies. It should tally with your different coverages, 20. Thank you, students. Now, we will solve second sum. The number of doctors serving in 30 different hospitals were recorded as follows. Various data is given, prepare a frequency table. Now observe in these values. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Number of doctors is the variable. So it varies from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then tally mark, number of will mark from the beginning, one after the another. 6, then 7, then 5, then 7, then 6, then 3, then 9, then 8, then 6, then 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 8, 5, then 9, 5, already 4, you cross it, fifth one, then 6, already 5, 4 are there, you cross it to make it a fifth one, then 5, then 9, 6, again 6, then 4, again 4, then 7, already 4, fifth one you cross it, then 5, 5, and finally 8. Now you count the tally marks. For first one it is 1, 2, this group 5, 6, 7, 8, then 5 plus 2, 7, 5, 4, 3. Do the total. 8, 11, 18, 23, 27, 30. It's tallied with your total number of hospitals. Here we are considering only one variable. This is called as univariate frequency distribution. In later classes, we will study two variables at a time. Then it's called as bivariate frequency distribution. For example, your marks in mathematics and science, if you consider both at a time, it's called as bivariate frequency distribution. That will be covered later. Till now we have seen how to construct a discrete frequency distribution in example 1 and example 2. First you decide the variable, then arrange the values in order, then process from first to last. You put a tally mark against each value, then count the tally marks, put in frequency. Finally, your capital N should be equals to the given number of values. That's how you will construct a frequency distribution. In next class, we will see how to construct a class interval type of frequency distribution. Thank you, students.